All right, guys, we've got the 2-pack PAR lights from Zmoj, and these are great stage lights. They've got 7 different settings, and you can even do a sound setting, so they'll actually change with the sound, which I think is great. They both have a DMX in and out on the back there, and these are great. You can either set them on the ground of a stage, or you can actually put them on the top of the stage scaffolding. So they'll work either way. You also have remotes. You have remotes for both of them, but you can actually use one remote for both of them also in tandem. And these lights are super powerful and super cool. I used to be in like a band in college, and it doesn't take much to add a vibe to like a stage. So even if you don't have that large of a stage, even if it's just like a church or a coffee house or anything like that, but any kind of concert venue or conference or anything where like low lighting LED vibes is a thing, these are going to be a great option. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this light off and cut to a POV so you can really get a vibe of how these look in the dark. All right, guys, I've got these on fade right now. These things are vibing up the whole room. Like, it is dark in here except for that computer. And dude, this thing is just lighting up. You can see how much of vibe lights these are. Um, so there's a couple different settings. This is more of a jump setting. That was more of a fade. And now we're gonna do the strobe effect. So you can see how that's a strobe vibe. So these could even be used as like Halloween lights, or holiday lights like Christmas lights. Then you have like different colors that you can go to. So this remote's really useful, and super easy to just like go through, and then you can pick all the colors at the same time. Then we can do the music setting. And what I want to do with this is just show you how it works with sound. Boom. So anytime it hears something, it's changing. And that's the cool thing about the sound. It almost gives you the effect of having a sound man, even if you can't afford a sound man, because it goes with the music or with the speaking. So at the end of the day, I think these are extremely high quality lights, especially for the value. Like, the value of these is very high. I think you got to get a lot of bang for your buck, and I highly recommend them.